Hello, friend. Very good afternoon to all of you. I am Kullan Patro over here in Calcutta. Today, I want to share a topics. I want to discuss. The topics is already enlisted in our 21 days challenge. Although I have seen it earlier and I could make the video at that time, but now I am sharing my views on that topic. The topic is my dream job. Actually, guys, my age is now running in late 59, and so I have completed my childhood, I have completed my student life, college life, everything. At that time, in my childhood, there are many dreams, but at present my dream job is completely different from those time. I have completed my student life, college life. Even after college life, I was a bachelor searching for a job, and that stay at least 5 years, because I became graduate in 1982 and I got my job in 1987. So at that time I was engaged in various tuition, and tuition was my profession. However, I have completed also my 34-year service life, and I gathered so much experience about job, about education, about job, about the working environment, work activity in the government sector, etc., etc., so on. And what I am now focusing is that from the middle of my age, I had so many dissatisfaction about what is going on all around us. Mainly, I was too much disappointed about the spirituality, spiritual culture, and the conflict among among the religions, and all these. From my childhood, I was spiritually inclined, and it is from my birth. Nobody could advise me in the childhood that you have to do that you have to obey the God, you have to worship the God. No, nothing. From my birth, from my instinct, I was inclined to the spiritual. And I have seen that there are so many wrong concept about religion, about spirituality, and for this reason, I am very much shocked, I am very much confused how the people will get rid, because people will not get any benefit from this type of cultures, this type of spirituality. They are now used, they are now adopting, or they are now practicing. And now in my late 59, I am trying to my best to culture about spirituality, to culture about religion, and for that reason I have tried my best, and I already posted so many, at least 16 to 18 religious posts. All are religious posts about spirituality and religion and how to escape from rebirth cycle. As long as man will do such type of work, such type of wrong religion, they have to take repeated rebirth after rebirth. And I think that we have all passed at least millions of birth and millions of death. And we have to take more rebirth and more rebirth. So I am now focusing my all attention over the religious activity, over the concept of religion, and I am practicing it myself only. And my religion, my concept of religion, my concept of spirituality is completely different from what is going on all around. So even I have seen that the in many temples, in many places, the meditation they are doing is completely wrong. Maybe that it is in my sense. I think that is wrong. Maybe in their sense they are right, but I am sure, 100% sure, that in many places the meditation is taught completely wrong way. I can tell like this. I should not tell like this, and I should not tell where it is going on. But now I am focusing on my spiritual wish or tendency, disposition or tendency, that I want to enhance my spiritual activity. And I have written so many posts in Facebook, and you can go through my Facebook post and you will see that all the posts are related to spiritual matter. And I will write more posts. Now I am engaged in some other activities. For this reason, I am not getting time. And so, for the last 2 months, I have not given any post. I can give small post, but normally I give a long post. And in that post, I have gradually explained what God is, what spirituality is, what religion is, what meditation is, and all these things. And I have a desire that if I complete 50 numbers of such posts, already 16 to 18 posts have completed, I will publish a book entitled My Facebook Post. And it will be written that completely based on modern spirituality, or those who have no time to go to any temple, any mosque, any church, those who are busy. Spirituality mainly for those. I have discussed in my all post about the concept. You have to change the concept first. Whatever our forefathers have told us, I don't believe that. Belief and truth is completely different thing. I will try to explain what is belief and what is truth. A spirituality completely based on truth, not on belief. And so there is so many talks, and this is my dream job, that if I bring the awareness among the people, among the common people, those who have wrong conception about spirituality, about religion, about meditation. That is my great satisfaction in my life, in my end of life, and I will do that up to my end of life. Thank you very much. Thank you all of you. Thank you our mentor, Sri Amit Kumar Mehta. Thank you.